In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Miro. To get started, open Miro in your browser and go to the board where you want to build your wireframes. This can be a new board or an existing one, as long as you are inside the canvas area where you can add content. Take a second to orient yourself. Your tools and templates are typically accessible from the left side toolbar, and the main workspace is in the center. Once you are on the board, click on the highlight option. This is a quick way to draw attention to key areas on your board, and it is also useful for marking sections before you begin placing wireframe components. After selecting highlight, type in the word highlight. You are essentially creating a labeled callout, so your board stays organized, especially if you are working with other people or returning to this board later. Clear labels can make your wireframing process faster because you can separate ideas, sections, or screens without confusion. As a general tip, keep your labels short and consistent. If you are planning multiple wireframes, you can use the same naming style across the board so it is easy to scan. Also, give yourself enough space on the canvas. You can pan around and zoom out slightly so you have room to build your layout without elements feeling cramped. Next, click on Wireframes. This is where Miro provides wireframing tools and assets designed for creating low-fidelity layouts. Wireframes help you map structure and content placement before you spend time on visual design. When you open the Wireframes area, you will be ready to start placing common UI elements like frames and interface components into your board using Miro's built-in library. Keep your focus on layout and hierarchy at this stage. Wireframes are most effective when they stay simple and communicate what goes where, rather than how it looks. If you need to keep things tidy as you work, you can align elements and maintain consistent spacing across your board. And that is all there is to it.